In this final short video, we will look at validating our website for both the CSS and our pages, and then tidying up any of the evidence slideshow. So go into Project Space, click on your index page, and then over on the right, click on the Validate HTML button. What we are hoping to see is a green message that says that our page validates. Unfortunately, we don't, but lucky for us, the error that we have come up here 5 times is exactly the same error, and it's basically that where we have put our navigation images in, we've not remembered to put the alt tag in, so that's pretty easy to fix. So what you need to do is go into your bannernav.php to each of the images and add an alt tag with the description of what the image is. Remember to put your quotes in at the end, and you need to do this for each of the buttons. I'll do this off camera. So I've gone and done that, added all the alt tags. I'm going to click again on my index and over and click the Validate HTML button. And this is what I was hoping for. So I'm now going to take a screenshot of this and add it to my evidence document. So this is what it looks like on my evidence slideshow. I've put the word index page and I've copied the screenshot and pasted it here. Now I need to go ahead and try at least one other of my pages and my CSS. So the other page I've done is my contact page, and it has given me some errors because there's been some changes within the iframe that we put our contact form in. So what it's saying is the frame border attribute on the iframe element is obsolete. So we need to remove the frame border part from our form. The same is happening for margin height, margin width, and then there is some text that is also not allowed. So we can go into our contact form in Visual Studio Code and make these changes. So here in Visual Studio Code, we're taking out frame border, margin height, and margin width, making sure not to take out the end bracket. And then we also need to take the text out between the two tags. And then save, upload it, and test it again. And this time when we run the validation, we get our green message. There are no errors or warnings. We can screenshot this and add it to our slideshow. Our final validation check is to our holidaystyle.css. So we click on that, click on the Validate CSS, and yay, we have a green message. Everything is cool. So we can screenshot this and add it to our slideshow. I just wanted to make a quick correction. You may have seen throughout the videos that the color of the banner text and the footer text is sometimes white and sometimes black. In fact, because of the colors that we've used here, the white is much more effective and is easier for reading, particularly for those with vision impairments. So I'm going to show you how you can now fix that so yours becomes white. If you go into the holidaystyles.css down to the grid areas section, you'll see under the .banner class I've put a .banner, .footer class, and I have asked for it to have a color of white. This will then change the text for those two areas to white and make that look a whole lot better. If this was the actual assessment, the final thing you would need to do would be go back to your specifications slide and check that each of the specifications that you have stated have actually been fulfilled on the website. If not, you'll need to make changes to the specifications or to the website itself. If you've got to the end of this video, then congratulations, you've successfully completed the website practice task and you're now ready to start the assessment.